Umlisa okhuluma kule video uthi usola ukuthi isizathu esenza ukuthi abantu abaningi bemzonda uGogo Sikhotheni ukuthi usekhulume amaqiniso amaningi kakhulu waphinda wakhipha nezimfihlo bekungamele ukuthi abantu bazazi.
Ngasho madoda ngathi namhlanje sikhuluma ngoGogo Sikhotheni. Yebo, ningizwe kahle, Gogo Sikhotheni. Ngithi ngingena la ku TikTok ngithola nje baku live nenye intombazana nabanye abantu babhizi bayalwa uyamthethisa ukuthi why uphume ebungomeni, why uphuma mawuceda utshela abantu ukuthi kunobu darkness ebungomeni wena sowuthula uNkulunkulu. Wambuza ukuthi why uthi kunobu darkness ebungomeni, kusho ukuthi thina masangoma singabantu abadaka abaloyayo banganaNkulunkulu na? Okay, sharp. That we something ukuthi bekhuluma enye intombazana through the social media. Okay, thina sikho lapho sila. You know ukuthi why ngibona ngathi bamzonda kakhulu amasangoma uGogo Sikhotheni, which is true if I see. If ungaye sangomeni wena uthi yohlola oyenza ini, ayikho isangoma ekhe yakujikisa athi wena awunacala or awuna problem awuna next. Number 1 into bamzondela yona le cause yena uthi ukhona ukukujikisa, akujikisa ukutshela ukuthi la kuwe angiboni inkinga, yonke into yakho right. It's not like usuka angaboni, usho njalo yena. And then bamgijimisa ngaloko bathi no, isasa ukuthi akaboniswa. Awu kusho bubani amanye amasangoma. Okay, the only thing we need to know ila ingaye uyo oshoyo ku broadcast ka MacJ. Okay, sharp. And then waphinda wathi ubusangoma bamanje it's a fashion, it's like a fashion. Busangoma kahle at ukuthiwa nale mpahla abazigcokayo into ethunge yamakula nani. It's not like mawuyingonyama uboniswa ingonyama kumele uyoprintelwa iskipa esinongonyama or indwangu enengonyama. Kusho yena, kusho mina. We nicely lezi zinto lezi baziphafe babe nice, bagidisa is fashion manje. Okay, asindluleni lapho. Athi nala masangoma nowabona kakhulu la kuma TikTok baphatha inyoka, uthola inyoka zihamba lana baloku babaniya bani scammer. Athi le nyoka le isasesineke ukuthi nawe ungayithenga if you need a pet. Nawe ungayithenga udlisa amakundwane, uyithengele ukudla, bakutshela mawuyithenga ukuthi uthenga kuphi ukudla, udlisa kanjani, in what time kanjani. Akusile inyonga nicabangayo. Athi the real snake lo ukhendla ngayo uyithatha emanzini, and inyoka ukuthi angakho uzukhona ukuyibona nangamehlo wakho, but you know ukuthi there is a snake uyithathile. And then mawuyokhendla it's like iqala ngento encane. Bazothi every month bulala inkukhu, after mayiloko sihamba isikhathi sobulala imbuzi, after mbuzi sokuyinkomo, after inkomo sokuyini, sokumntwanakho. Yekela nokhendla kunobungozi, usho njalo. Okay, batshela abantu ukuthi babelieve kakhulu, babelieve ebunyangeni ukuthi lento babatshela yona it's like okay, makazothi kuwe uwenza ukuthi ubelieve, isangoma moya kuyenza ukuthi ubelieve ukuthi there is something ekudlayo or there is something engahambi kahle. Why ngisho kanjalo? Mawungaya espilling wena uya ngomqondo ukuthi uyazi ukuthi untshontshelwe ubani, nyazi ukuthi untshontshelwe bakunika umuthi ukuthi udle uphuze. Mawuphuza mawubhekele spilling le vision leyo uyicabanga kuza yona la imcondo uzusho ukuthi yeah nangu usibusiso ngambona ngishilo ngathi uyo ongithathele into ethize, iTV yami ethize, something yami ethize, which is something nigcina nibulala abantu, nizonda abantu ngento engekho. Do you understand the pain? Okay, so much. My question is that should we believe to the sangomas or should we not? Cause manga tuyabhekisisa she's saying 30% are the real sangoma, then 70% are not. And then waphina washo yena ngomlomo wakhe wathi mawuya lapha uyothwasa bakufundisa ukuhila abantu, and then okuningi wena uzifundisa kwawena. Example like ukuloya nokwenzani uthi mawuyisangoma noma kanjani there is a darkness ogcina uyenza, because kuze umuntu athi ngicela ukuloya usibanibani umncedise uyoloya usibanibani, and then lo muntu loyo achinje vele abe yenye into naye makaya kwenye sangoma athi hey bangithebulile bangenze so naleya sangoma la inceda ukhumbule inceda lo yabe lo munye lo bamloyile mayinceda lo bamloyile, then izibuyela kubathi mayibuyele la ibuya khona iyocala kuphi. It's not like iya kulo iya straight kusangoma naye gcina yenzani uzama ukuzivikela ishield makabeke ishield kanje ishaya indlule ibuyele kuphi ubuyele kulo qale weza kusangoma. Yeah, understand ukuthi ubungoma bunjani. Okay, now she's resigning ukuthi abe isangoma. You know why? Because we've been seeing ukuthi abasangoma amaningi abasamfuni, because ngathi ukukhulume iqiniso too much, usuke waba too much, usuke wakhuluma amaqiniso lawa ukuthi abantu akumelanga bawezwe. Cause egcineni uthi anyone can become a sangoma, wonke umuntu angaba isangoma kanjani, because thina sazi ukuthi uma uyisangoma there is a calling. Athi i-calling yakho ikulandelela usasemncane, mawukhula iloku kulandelela uphupha wenza izintonyana ezisnacks bakutshele nawe uma ukhula ukuthi umntwana wami vele ukhulu wenza so unokuvuka uphaphame ebusuku wenze so, then that is a calling. Mawusuka la uhamba ungazi ukuthi yaphi uduke nelizwe ufike nje ume egate lo munye ugobela phaphathe lapho usuku une calling yamampela. Athi abaningi bahlangana nabo ematekisini babatshela ukuthi mfana wami wena une calling, abanye bangena la kuma TikTok bamtshela wathi wena kumele uyothwasa. That is not a calling, into basitshela yona. So manje si believe ini. Waphinda washo futhi ukuthi ubusangoma is not a traditional format. Ubusangoma it's a man-made. Thina sikhula sazi ukuthi lento iku-traditional isegazini labantu abamnyama. Kuthiwa no, wathi why manje kumele balandelele ilona i-traditional okungaseyabo. No, it's not like that. It's a man-made, but i-calling into ehlezi khona kunoma ubani angaba nayo calling, but not ukuthi utshela ukuthi wena kumele uyothwasa, wena sibona into ethize kumele ukwenze into ethize, wena umakhelwane wakho uyakuloya kumele ukwenze. Why kumele sizondane ekugcineni ugcina uzonda umuntu bayakuzonda wena ungazi ukuthi bayakuzonda. Thina kungqono thina we know ukuthi yes bayazonda, especially kakhulu lokho kulama social media and all stuff. The more we post things, there are those bavumelana nawo kunalabo abangavumelana. Already we know that, but what about wena ongazi ohleli lapha endlini usitshela ukuthi comfort. Okay, uphinda wasitshela something again. Yeah, bona ke this one is so difficult. Athi to be a sangoma it's a scammer. Amasangoma scammer. Athi scammer madoda. But to have a calling is not a scammer. What she means about that, I don't know. But yasixwayisa ukuthi nina engithanda ukuya emasangomeni mostly awukho uyo uright unganankinga ubheke ukuthi uzovuma ukukutshela ukuthi unenkinga or awunankinga na. Yena uthi kuzondelwa nje ukuthi ukhona ukutshela umuntu ukuthi mangaba awunankinga awunankinga, but yonke into yakho ime right, idlozi lakho uyaliphahlela kahle ngendlela. Waza waqosha umunye intombazana ithi izothwasa lapha kuwe, wamtshela ukuthi sis wena awunalo idlozi. Zonke lezi zinto oziphuphayo bayakubonisa bakini ukuthi kumele wenzeni. vele iduku eli-ready just it doesn't mean ukuthi what uyakubonisa ukuthi kuzovela igazi lana elimhlophe kuzoba bright kuzoba nento ezi-right kongakini on all stuff asizazi-ke lezi zinto zamasangoma kahle but is the uyo osho kanjalo, she's the one who's saying so. And then there is something le concern kakhulu kimi. I loved this what she's saying ne, but angivumelani nayo ukuthi why aza resign ukuba she's a teacher yobungoma. This girl uyakhona ukukuthwasisa aphinde akuphe nencwadi yemuthi ukuthi lo muthi usebenza kanjani, wenza kanjani, ugujwa kuphi kanjani, akuphe ne certificate and ubungoma bakhe is 25k. Na understand? 25k. That means singasho sithi good. The girl, she's good because uyakufundisa phinda kuphi nencwadi incwadi ukuthi ukhona ukuthisha mangabe ukhohliwe doesn't mean ukuthi yonke into uzeyihlala uyibuild that is why abanye abantu bona bakuphuma utho wrong. And then you guys, you believe too much, especially those who don't believe in busangoma. You are strong more than lo hamba ubusangoma. Kusho yena kanjalo. Once you tell yourself ukuthi mina I don't believe ubusangoma, akekho umuntu ongangena mara hambi sangoma ahambi sangoma ngilwe ngemithi ya lapho ke kuzonyiwa lokhala izulu emini